Oh, this 13-day streak. Now with this app, you can be able to make between 10, 20, actually 5, 10, $20 every week from this app that you're seeing here. Just stick with me in this video. I'm going to be revealing how you can earn from this app. Now this is your earn. Let me bring up my brush. Okay, this is okay, and click on reward. All right, you can see this is another way. I just unlocked this one. All you have to do on this app, just walk. Keep your phone in your pocket or in your purse. Girl, keep your phone in your pocket or you keep your phone in your purse and be walking. While you're walking, each steps will be calculated on this app. Now, if you're able to make 2,000 steps a day, you'll be able to scratch something here. So I'm going to click on this scratch card now. As see. So this scratch card. So get scratch card. Now I'm going to be spending two of this coin that I'm earning. The win was here. This is one scratch card retry. Okay, that's what I want. Try again. Maybe they will play an ads this time around. So you just have to exercise a little patience. Alright, I go on these crashes. They give me 5 draw entry. Okay, then get on that card for 1 point. Okay, scratch again. One scratch card retry. No, okay. Alright. Now in this reward, you can click on this. You can decide to come to this reward. Then you click on this unlock now. Then you watch a video ad. After watching a video ad, then you'll be able to watch or you'll be able to unlock this scratch card. You understand? So that's how it is. Then another way to earn here is these challenges. You challenge yourself to work. Now this is my progress in this one is 60%, my progress in this one is 79%, my progress for this one is 79%, and this one is ending July 3rd. This one is ending June 30th. That is I think tomorrow. Wow. Okay, the day after tomorrow. Okay, the day after tomorrow. Then this one is ending July 6th. I'm just not serious with this one. I'm not just serious with this particular app, but I just have to share it with you. A friend of mine that I introduced to this application already made $100 from this app. Now today I only got 5,000 steps achieved. Now this is the money 385. Okay. You can equally come to this place. This daily reward claim. I have not claimed for today. You can equally come to this place. You claim this one or this one, invite and earn up to $1,000. The more invite you get, the more money you make. Get so it's as easy as that. You are not paying any money to start this one. Just register. Then just register an account. You come here and claim 13 days. Click on this 13 days. That is 13 days through the past 13 days. Now this has been I think my highest was 22,000, 20,000, 6,000, 3,000, and all that. My achievement, then awards. I've only had 50,000 steps. I'm not being serious. I'm not being serious. So just like that, I don't want this video to be too lengthy, but Now let me show you the screenshot proof. Now, okay, the name of this app is Sweatcoin. You might have heard of it. This is the application. Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin. Now this is the screenshot that they sent to me of the money that he made. He earned from this Sweatcoin. It's around 100. Okay, I think it's down here. All right, this is it. This is the screenshot he sent to me from the email he received. Sweatcoin has sent you 120 US dollars note from Sweatco Limited. Thank you for promoting Sweatcoin. You can see very well that you can earn a lot of money from this application. Oh, this is another screenshot, but it's not from Sweatcoin. That was not from Sweatcoin. So if I click on this 395, it's going to take me to. Wait a minute. It isn't going to take me to. It's going to take me somewhere else, but let me just end this video. So I'll drop a link in my. Okay. All right. I'll drop a link. I'll drop a link in the description below and also in the comment section. So click on it so you can register an account and start working and earning. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this useful, I'm not promising you that you make $100. I'm just telling you how much you can make for free, just working and watching ads from this video. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to get more update from me. Don't forget to like and comment. Ask any questions. I'm always around to answer you.